Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another weekend, and actually, at least I can take some time to share my market outlook. Actually, I'm going to share what I expect gold is going to do from Monday to Friday, and this will be from 26th of June up to 13th of June. So it is just a 5 days market move, and actually, we have 5 days left for the monthly candle to close. So we must expect bigger changes or the greater changes that can provide us with the probable direction for the next month. So that's very, very basic. So I'm going to break down market into 4 different time frames, and actually I do what we call the top-down analysis from the monthly time frame down up to 4-hour time frame. So make sure that you watch until you find that I'm talking of the 4-hour time frame, and it's where now I'm going to provide an exact probable direction for the coming week. So let me quickly start with the monthly time frame. For those who watch videos released every weekend, I'm sure we had analysis last weekend, and on Telegram I shared what happened. So last weekend we had analysis, and actually I traded, I think it was on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, Tuesday or Wednesday. Actually I had only one entry, so now the result was not good, so I shared it on Telegram. So when I do the positive results or I do the negative, all the results are shared on Telegram channel, so people they understand now what are the results of the projection. But most of time actually we do the positive results. We have the positive results, all of them they are on Telegram. So if it's your first time, make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe. So that's very, very basic to keep in touch with ASAM Forex. So quickly in monthly time frame, I can turn on the wave count, the drawings. So nothing has changed. Instead, we have this trend line. I have been talking about this several times now, the blue one. So several times I've talked about this one, and I said what I'm looking forward is by the end of June, I need at least to see prices trading below this. So I have been saying this like 2 weeks consecutively now, 2 weekends. So actually I was looking forward for price to trade below this level. So now it has penetrated. So what is important is to watch if in the remaining 5 days of the month, or we are talking about the trading days now. So if on those remaining 5 trading days, will the price hold below the trend line, or will it reject it to the upside? So that is something very important to look forward. So as I dig deeper in lower time frames, actually we'll understand exactly what is most likely to happen. But important thing here, we already have a price penetrating below this level that has been respected several times. So let me go to weekly time frame. Okay, so my internet is slow, it's down, so yes. So now this is weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, we can see those the last 2 candles, actually they show bigger changes. So we have things that are very clear in weekly time frame. If you're a trader, you don't need any explanations about what is happening here. But basically you will see now, last week I was talking about this rejection, and it gave us a very great hope for price to at least continue rising to certain levels there before it proceeded to the downside, you see. So but what has happened now, price this week has powerfully pushed it to the downside, covering this previous rejection. So now this is delivering now in a general way. Now these 2 candles, they are delivering a continuation message. So actually between those 2 candles, actually you can find that the only thing is we continue to the downside. But at the same time, you see we had this level here, previous level has been respected several times. I think in daily time frame we can have a clear view of this level here. So it has been respected several times, but now for the first time now, price has successfully closed below this level. So this may provide us with the information that we are down in weekly time frame. So now Are we continuously will gold continue to melt continuously now, or is there anything going to happen? So in lower time frame, at least we can have that clear picture of what is going to happen before we keep on holding with the sell direction. So that's weekly. So maybe before touching information on daily time frame, we can see news. So now from 26th of June, actually, yes, we're going to have news on Tuesday. We have news on Tuesday. They are the medium impact news, and also have got the high impact news. Now it is just a mix of high impact and medium impact on the rest of the days of the week now. So apart from Tuesday, and on Monday we don't have news at all. So now remember, those days that don't have news, we have very slow movement, so we can just have that building structure of the market to trade for the next day that has got news. So very basic. So now that is a weekly. So now let me go to daily time frame to see at least what are the changes on daily time frame. Okay, so in daily time frame you see this level now. So this level is very important. Price has been respecting several times. You see, and now for the first time now prices came below. Now price has traded below, and actually it was trying to come up again to come above this level, but it failed. Now this was on Friday, so it tried to push up, but it failed. So now when you look on those last two candles, now they're delivering a continuation message now, continuation to the downside. You see, so you have this with a very great power to the downside. Then we had this has got rejection from the upside. So this is like a retest. It was a retest to this level. So it is delivering a continuation message to the downside. That's very basic. So now does this mean that price will continue falling from this level? What is going to happen? So let us see what are we expecting from this point. Yeah, so basically we can associate trend lines. We can associate trend lines from here. So we can have this one. We can have this level. So you see price respected, and it is around this region. So this may indicate that now price must show certain informations around this level before it proceed to the downside. So something must happen here before price continue to the downside. So there is a possibility of now price bouncing to the upside from this level. So I can add another. Yeah, we can take this level here. So also this has something to deliver. Also this level has something to deliver. So you see, price has touched this level several times and currently is here again. So also this may give us a suggestion of price not easily pushing to the downside from this level unless it gives us a certain information. So when I'm talking about the formation at this level, what I mean is just there's a possibility now, there's a possibility of price pushing up before it continue further, moving below this previous swing low. So that's possible. Maybe let me go to 4-hour time frame to see what is mostly possible next week. So in 4-hour time frame, we can talk of the the internet is lost. My internet is lost. Let me try to use another. Let me go with another source. Let me go with another source. Yeah, let me go with another source. Okay, yeah, let me go with this. So internet is lost. Let me go with this. Let me go with this. Turn off the mobile. Turn off the mobile. So I'm back now. So 4-hour time frame is here now. So this is a 4-hour time frame. So in 4-hour time frame, at least we can have a clear drawings and counts. You see, clear drawings and counts. So in general, in 4-hour time frame, we are looking up because in relation to what I have presented in daily time frame and the wave counts that we see here. So basically in 4-hour time frames, will still be looking up. But what is important from a daily time frame, if I switch back to daily time frame, from a daily time frame, what I can suggest, we have to watch for the Monday candle. We have to watch for the Monday candle. So if Monday candle is going to move up and cover this rejection, so we expect the following days will continue pushing to the upside. So Monday is very basic to provide us with the possible direction for the remaining 4 days of the week, now the 4 trading days. So now the same thing I can suggest in the 4-hour time frame. The same thing I can suggest in the 4-hour time frame. Now price tried pushing up like this, tried pushing up like this. So it pushed it to this level. You see how it respected the trend line. So it respected this trend line. So basically, when it happens that price is pushing up and is now it's going to move above this trend line, it is when now we'll be looking for some push to the upside. They will be in a corrective mode. Then what will be corrected here? So it will be correcting this whole move from here. So you can run a Fibonacci retracement up to this level to see how far we may move. So we can mostly watch for price moving to those levels of the second wave here, the second wave, this one. So it may move as far as to this level, 2037. So that's mostly possible if it will be pushing up like this from this region. So that's very basic for the coming week. So watch for the Monday candle. Let me go to daily. Our confirmation mostly will based on the daily. Watch for Monday candle to cover this, then continue to the upside. If Monday candle will continue to the downside, that will be a different story, whereby we'll be pushing down up to those levels down here. The next stop will be around this level here. Next stop will be around 1811. So will be a next stop if price will continue pushing from this level, from this trend line. If you see prices pushing below this trend line, you will push up to those 1811 levels. So those are the possible market turns for the coming week. So include your own analysis to see if they align with what I'm saying, and then remember to mark those key levels, and then make your trading decisions based on those key levels that you are going to mark in your analysis. So thank you for your time and have a great weekend.